Mapo tofu.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to 80 Foods. How are you today? I am happy to see you. Today's food is mapo tofu. In the picture, you can see small bean curds. They are pieces of tofu. And the tofu is mixed with sauce. It's time to start. Let's learn some words.
Cube. This is a cube. It has 6 square surfaces. All the surfaces are the same size. What thing is a cube? Yes, a die is a cube. All surfaces of a die are the same size. Pepper. The thing in the white dish is pepper. Pepper is a spice. It makes food taste a little hot. We use it to add flavor to food. Some people put pepper on steak.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Cube. Pepper.
Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
Do you know what tofu is? It is made of bean. The cubes in the picture are pieces of tofu. Tofu is very soft. Mapo tofu is made of tofu and sauce. Bean, chili, oil, pepper, and other ingredients are used in the sauce. Minced beef or pork is mixed with the sauce. The sauce and tofu are put together. Mapo tofu is spicy, so we commonly eat it with rice. Have you ever tried mapo tofu?
What is an ingredient in mapo tofu sauce? Chili. Ketchup. What is true? Mapo tofu tastes sweet. Tofu is made of bean.
Do you like tofu? It's a very healthy food. That's all for now. See you next class. Goodbye.